face up. Oh, yes. Nice. There, I got a little bit out of it. There we go. That's better. Breathe out. Good. You know, go to the other side. Good. Face up. All right. You ready?
Oh my god. Hold on. I need to process that.
Was that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Let's keep going. All right. Here we go. She's okay.
It's incredible.
She's a little deep. There we go. Very nice. All right, we're going to lift your head up and put that right there. Bring your head back down. Good. I'm going to drop this down. And then we're going to put that there and that there.
What if the patient is really scared or nervous?
Then we sing them a lullaby.
Oh.
Are you scared and nervous?
No.
You sure?
No.
I'm known for my singing. Still scared?
Nope.
Head up a little bit and just take a minute, relax, breathe. All right, come on up. Okay, turn your neck right and left. How you feel?
Much better.
All right.